this snowball.
Grandpa! Grandpa! Is Grandpa being silly? He says that he wants to try and get his own, but he doesn't know how it works. Help him get a snowball.
Here's one. There's all kinds of them here. Oh, there you threw a glove again. Here, let's put your glove back on. That snow's a little cold. There's your snowball. Oh yeah, he's a thrower. There's still some of it left. Here comes Daisy with her ball.
Watch out, because he knocks her over, or knocks him over.
There, now find that one for a while, Daisy. Should be gnawing that line, above ground line over there, that guy's cable. Maybe it's telephone. Pretty neat.
Yay!
Yay! Snowman! Oh, dirty snow. Here. There's your snowball. Good job.
Okay, that's enough. Okay, that's enough.
Huh?
Where are you going? Where are you going? Huh?
Sounded like you said inside, didn't it?
I don't.
Huh? Where are you going? I think he's going to the water. How do kids learn about water?
I don't know.
Kids are addicted to water. Could fall on the ice. I'm gonna get these boots wet. Going in the water, are you?
He's going to be down on his butt soon.
What? He's a boy. Boys can take it. Water puddles are pretty neat, aren't they? Wait till you discover worms and deer droppings. Whoa!
Uh-oh.
Did you get them mittens wet? A little bit. Here comes the mailman.
Look at the mailman.
Whoa! We go get the mail?
Bye-bye, mailman.
Bye-bye, he said. That water's kind of interesting.